sumisigaw pansin ang headline ng Philippine Daily Inquirer. 400 out of 600 health centers of DOH unused. So, may I know po, how do we justify spending billions on health centers when 400 out of 600 remain idle? Isn't it a failure of planning that we built hundreds of facilities without pa pala doctors, nurses, or equipment to run them? And who is accountable?
Thank you very much for this. In 1992, we devolved healthcare. So, dati, all the health centers were under the Department of Health. So, kami nag-staff ng tao dyan, ng barangay health worker, ng midwife, and everything. But after the local government code was passed, the health centers are passed on to the municipal mayors. And it has been a practice for the past several years to actually support that through a budget in the DOH. So, nalalagay ng ating mga legislators yan. That's a list I get. Sometimes I agree, not planned, but out of they are built, and then eventually what happens is we sign an MOU with the local chief executive, not the congressman, the local chief executive. The local chief executive will agree to the fund that after it is finished, they will hire doctors, nurses, midwives. And our study of the past 10 years, 10 years naman ma'am yung nasa headline na yan. So hindi naman yan 1 year. 10 years of support, about 200 billion pesos of funds to what we call primary healthcare centers, barangay health station, rural health unit. Malaki na rin after you accumulate 10 years. Sabi ko nga, 10 ospital na mapapatayo ko dyan sa 200 billion if ever. And we also lack beds, hospital beds. So, na-analyze ko to because nangyari nga itong flood control. So I was looking at meron ba kaming mga ganyang projects sa Department of Health na hindi nagagamit. Ngayon, pati even agriculture saying some of their farm-to-market roads are not true farm-to-market roads. So ni-research namin to, and we've tried to solve some of this through the National Health Workforce Support System. Kami na nagpasweldo nung nurse, doktor, midwife, at dinideploy dun sa municipality. Ito yung nangyari, no? I think this is one of the good things because we were funded in the GAA also of personnel na announced ni President Nunsona na for the first time, all municipalities have a doctor. Ito yun, kasi dati Doctor to the Barrios program siya nung time ni Secretary. Tinuloy namin yun, nadagdagan ng nurse deployment, nadagdagan ng midwife, nadagdagan ng iba't ibang health. So ngayon, it's now called the National Health Workforce Support System. This is for 4th class, 5th class, 6th class municipalities. I have so 60% are lack of human resource, 30% are delayed construction, so kasalanan ng contractor na pondohan pero hindi natapos. Ito yung mga walk away, nanalo sa bidding, kinuha lang yung amount, tapos mag-uumpisa ng konting poste, tapos aalis na. And then we're stuck with the problem. And then 10% are DPWH. So there are some the local government wants the DPWH to implement. So hindi kami na-implement. So yung sa DPWH, ang problem is permit to construct. What's nicer about health facilities is we are stricter than, let's say, a school. Kasi a school, they just build on their design. Sa amin, the contractor has to show the detailed architectural and engineering designs, which is up to the licensing for the facility. So dahil sasubmit pa yun sa amin, bibigyan namin ng permit. That's the only time they can construct. Sometimes, may pondo na pero hindi nagsasubmit or pinababago yung some modifications to fit the licensing. And then when they finish it, babalik uli yan sa licensing namin para i-license siya as a health facility. Kailangan up to standards. So, sabi nga sa akin, ayaw gawin ng ibang contractor kasi daw manipis. So you understand already when I say what is manipis. So because we are very strict with how it will be built, kailangan built up to specs. So ang problem namin really 60% is really the lack of healthcare workers hired by the local. And this is coming from the income of the LGU kasi. They have to hire the municipal health officer, the public health nurse, the midwife that will work in the health center.